Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a quick head wrap tutorial inspired by one of my favorite artists, Alicia Keys. I'm doing this head wrap on about a week-old wash and go. To add some extra moisture, I'm using the Up North Naturals Freshen Up Hair Mist and spraying it all over my hair. Next, I'll apply a few drops of the 8 oil blend to the scalp and massage it right in. I gather all my hair to the front so that way I have a high pineapple. Here's where all the fun begins. So grab your favorite color scarf. So I make sure I have the same amount of fabric on both ends. It's easier for when I twist and tuck the fabric in. Once I've achieved the desired look, I just tuck the ends right inside. I don't knot it because then it causes more bulk. At this point, I just fix the hair the way I want it to look and make sure I pull the back end so that it's not all bunched up into one section. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just comment below and make sure you hit the subscribe button. You could also find me on Instagram at Curls and Tings.